Good morning, children. I welcome you for our class today. I'm so happy that I brought you to our class. This is our class, and today we are going to have nature talk. Yes, you all love to learn nature, isn't it? Yes, we are going to learn nature. Before we could start our class, shall we sing good morning song? Yes. Good morning to you. Good morning to you. How are you today? I'm glad to meet you. I'm glad to meet you on this fine school day. Yes, I'm so happy, children. Yes, very happy. Very soon we'll be starting our school and you all can come and learn more things than in online. Okay, children? Okay. Shall we sing Baby Jesus song? Okay? Baby Jesus, baby Jesus, I love you, I love you. You are my Savior, you are my Savior. Every day, every day. Shall we sing once again? Baby Jesus, baby Jesus, I love you, I love you. You are my Savior, you are my Savior. Every day, every day. Yes, children, Jesus is our Savior. Every day He loves us. See, in this pandemic period, how safely He has kept us, isn't it? He has given us life. He has given us help. He has given us food. He has given us our parents, and they are going for work, and they have paid the fees for you. They have purchased the book. See how God is so loving, isn't it? Keep on praying to God so that He'll give you more help and strength so that you can do more things to others. Okay, children? Yes. What did we learn in our nature first class we learned, isn't it? Yes. What fruit is this? Mango is a national fruit, isn't it? Mango. Yes. What is this? Papaya. Right. We learned papaya. And jackfruit. Yes. You like jackfruit? Yes. What fruit is this? Yes. Guava. What is this? Grapes. Whoa. You all like to eat grapes? Yes. I too. Custard apple. What is this? Cherries. What fruit is this? Banana. Yes. What fruit is this? A for apricot. Wow. You remember, isn't it? And A for apple too. How many of you like to eat apples? Yes, you and I too like to eat apples. What fruit is this? Strawberry. Yes. What fruit is this? Chiku. What fruit is this? Watermelon. Yeah, very good, children. What fruit is this? Pomegranate. What fruit is this? Pineapple. What fruit is this? Yes, peach. And tomato we say as vegetable. And here we see gooseberries. You like gooseberries? Tell mommy to make juice for you, okay? And this is passion fruit. Very tasty. And this is plum. Yes, mangosteen. Yes, you like more fruits, isn't it? And kiwi fruit. And sweet lime juice. You'll drink sweet lime juice? Yes. And avocado. Wow, butterfruit is very tasty. Fig. Good. Orange. Rambutan. Yes. And what fruit is this? Dates. Lemon juice. You won't eat as fruit, isn't it? Then what fruit is this? Pear. And raspberry. Some of the fruits you have not seen, isn't it? And this is star fruit. We say as star fruit. Yes, these are fruits. See, you know what is the secret of being young and living long? If you eat more fruits than the cooked food, you can be young and you can live long. It is a secret. Tell your mama, often eating the cooked food is not very good for us. So eat fruits Every day, just a meal you can have fruits. Yes, you can be hale and healthy. No need of going to the doctor. You can be healthy throughout the year. Then what did we learn? Vegetables. Even that you can eat raw. How many of you like carrots? You like? Wow, carrots are very good. Yes, if you drink more carrots, you can become orange like carrot, fair. And your eyesight will be more clear. You can see. No need of putting glasses. Potatoes. You all like potatoes, isn't it? Children like potatoes. Yes. Finger fried. Mommy will make. Cabbage you can eat raw. Cabbage. What is this? Beetroot. Wow. Beans. What fruit is this? Bittergourd. You don't like it. But mommy will fry and give you like, isn't it? Yes. Then radish. You should eat all the vegetables. Then brinjal. Lady's finger. Can you see? Ginger. Yes, mom, tell mommy to make some juice and ginger so that this coronavirus will not attack you. Peas. Onion. Mommy will make soup for you, isn't it? Pumpkin. Wow. This is yam. Sweet potato. Capsicum. It's not yam, it's sweet potato. Turnip. Chilies. Oh, too hot, isn't it? Yes. This is called turnip. Garlic. Corn. Sweet corn. You'll eat sweet corn? Good. And plantain flour. Mommy make vada in this. Yes. Bottle gourd. Cucumber. Broccoli. Taro. Kohlrabi. Long beans. Yes, chow chow we say. Then rib gourd, drumstick, cucumber. Yes, celery. Eat lot of vegetables. If you can eat it raw like carrots, peas, beetroot, it's very good. Try to eat more vegetables so that you can digest your food very fast. Very good, children. Then what else we learned? We learned about some flowers, isn't it? Yes. Can you see the flowers? Can you see it clearly? Yes. This flower is called cherry blossom. Say? Yes, good. Can you see? What flower is this? Primrose. Say? Very good, very good. Primrose. What flower is this? Aster. Aster. Very good, very good. Next. What flower is this? Magnolia. Come on, say. Magnolia. Very good. Then what flower is this? Daffodils. Say. Daffodils. Very good, children. And what flower is this? Bellflower. Come on, say. Bellflower. Very good, children. You're very clever. What flower is this? Carnation. Carnation. Yes, very good. And what flower is this? Morning glory. Come on, say. Morning glory. Very good, children. And say, what flower is this? Orchid. Say. Orchid. Very good. What flower is this? Marigold. Say. Marigold. Very good. And what flower is this? Lily. Say. Lily. Yes. And what flower is this? You all like to keep, isn't it? Jasmine. Miss has kept little jasmine. Jasmine. Very good. Jasmine. You all like girls? Yes. Then what flower is this? Balloon flower. Say. Balloon flower. Yes, very good. What flower is this? Daisy. Say. Daisy. Very good, children. And what flower is this? Dahlia. Dahlia. Very good. What flower is this? Sunflower. Yes, we like sunflower, isn't it? Sunflower seeds are very good for you to eat. Yes, sunflower. Very good, children. And what flower is this? Our national flower. What is that? Lotus. Very good. Lotus. Yes. What flower is this? Hibiscus. Say hibiscus. Very good. What flower is this? Come on, say apple blossom. What is this? Very good, children. Oh, you are learning more and more new flowers' name, isn't it? What flower is this? Tulip. Say tulip. Wow, very good. And what flower is this? We all like, isn't it? Even boys like. Nehru, Chacha, he also likes. What is this? Rose. What is this flower called? Name? Lavender. Say lavender. Very good, children. Very good. What flower is this? Buttercup. Come on, say buttercup. Very good. And what flower is this? Pincushion. Come on, say pincushion. Very good, children. And what flower is this? What did we learn? First, come on, say, remember. Yes, cherry blossom. Don't forget, keep on learning the flowers' name, fruits' name. Don't forget the vegetables and the flowers. Today we are going to learn about the birds. How many of you like birds? Yes, I will show you some birds. After learning, I'll be sticking some birds and you have to name them. What bird is this? Our national bird. Peacock. Yes, peacock. Wow, what bird is this? Finch. Some of the new birds. Sparrow, you have seen sparrow? Yes, we had many sparrows because we are having this cell phone. Everyone in our home, everyone has a cell phone. Father has one, mama has. Sometimes father has 2 phones, isn't it? Yes, because of that race, these sparrows could not live. Sparrow. What is this? We had more and more sparrows and now we don't have any one, two, isn't it? Yes, toucan. A big beak. See how big its beak is, isn't it? And here is hummingbird. It flies. Hummingbird. Can you see the hummingbird? Yes. Rooster. Cock. You remember cock-a-doodle-doo? Yes. Pigeon. They are very soft. Pigeon. And here, pelican, eagle. It flies high up. It has its home in the high mountain. Okay? Yes. Can you see the eagle? Yes. Parrot. Titty-polly. Titty-pitty. Whatever you say, it repeats. Parrot. Owl. It cannot see in the daytime, but you can only see in the night. It has a big eyes, isn't it? But you cannot see in the daytime. Owls can see only during the night, and it goes out and in search of prey, food. It eats the rats. Yes. Raccoon, it's a big parrot, big one. Beautiful color it has. It's a kingfisher. It comes down to the sea, the water, and catches the fish. Kingfisher. Okay? And yes, goose. Flamingo. Nightingale. Emu. Ostrich. It's the big bird, but it cannot fly. Now I'll stick the birds and you have to name them. What bird is this? I said, isn't it a big ostrich? Very good, ostrich. And what bird is this? Yes, very good, parrot. And what bird is this? Crane. Very good. It comes to the water. And what bird is this? Duck. Yes, very good. And what bird is this? Woodpecker. Wow, very good. And what bird is this? Pigeon. Wow, very good. What bird is this? Quail. Quail, very good. What bird is this? Penguin. It lives in the cold region. Penguin. What bird is this? Indian bird? Crow. Wow. Yes. Crow. What bird is this? It eats the dead body, flesh of dead animals too. Vulture. Yes. What bird is this? Swan. Good. Swan. And what bird is this? It lives in the mountain. I said, remember, what is this? Yes, it's an eagle. And what bird is this? Cock. Right. Cock crows in the morning. And our national bird, what is this? Peacock. Right. And I said, a bird which can see only during the night time. What bird is this? Owl. Yes, birds fly in the air. Fish swim in the water. Birds fly in the air. Okay, keep on revising. And you turn this page 66 and learn the name of these birds. Crow, duck, eagle, hen, parrot, pigeon, sparrow, crow, owl, penguin, quail and peacock. Okay, page number 66. Keep on learning, children. Yes, as you see the birds flying in the air, you should call them, Mama, 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 come and see this parrot. It's flying. Mama, it's a parrot. Come and see, Ma, it's a parrot. If a crow is flying, Mama, come and see the crow. And if you see a pigeon flying and coming near your home, say, Mama, pigeon. But we cannot see some of these birds flying, isn't it? Yes. Learn the picture, name of all the birds and just recite and send it to me. Okay. See you in the next class. Until then, bye.